Hello, and in this video we will talk about how to publish a variant product and what is a variant product. So first of all, we just double check if everything is in English, and as you can see, it is. So just to start from the beginning, we will be deleting this one, and also this gives you an idea how to delete a product. So click here and delete, and we go ahead and voila, it is deleted. So let's get started. So very simple, new product. We'll be using an example as the product of the other site just to have a better idea and also to have an example. So, and visually you can understand. So here we have a product. As you can see here, it is a variant product because it has different sizes, as small, medium, large, XXR, XLG, extra large, and we have it in different colors. So how many products do we have of this? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sizes in different color, and we have blue and four sizes in a different color, and white, 4 sizes in a different color. I hope that makes sense. So this is a variant product because you have different colors and we have different sizes, right? So we will learn how to do this. As you can see, when you click on the color, it changes the image over here. So we will be learning how to do the same, but within your store. So let's go ahead. Let's get started. First of all, just for the example, we'll be just copying this. And of course, I'm not promoting this website. It was the first thing I found. So let's start. So as you guys already know, we add the name of the product. You can type it or paste it. And after the description of the product, as you please. Over here, I do not see there's any description specifically for this product, but they should have a description for that product, but we do not have. So let's just go ahead and just copy what we have previously have the text of, right? You just copy this, Command C to copy. We go back to the product, we click on Command V if you're using a Mac to copy and paste our description. That is here. Next step, let's just lower the volume of the music because it's a bit too loud. And next step, as I mentioned many times, if you have Shopify or WooCommerce, you can just import it. So it's very important to put the weight for your shippings. So let's go ahead, as previously as we did before. Let's say it's for men. Let's say it is clothes. Of course, it is clothes. It could be a GIF. Wonderful. Is it for similar products that we'll share later? And what are the facets? Biodegradable, great. And now the image. We will just grab an image. So we have two different. So one it is white, and one is this is the main image. So we can just grab any image. This is the main preview image, just to give you a better idea. So when you're scrolling over here, right, this is the main image that you would like to be visible for your users, a potential client, let's say, who is interested in your product. So it'll be the main picture they will see. So if they search, they will see, oh, okay, this is the main image. So this is what we are creating here. This will be the main image. As you click over here, preview, so this will be the preview, your main image. And you can add more as you please. You can say, okay, I will also like to have, let's say we have this one and this one too. You have two. And you can move around and preset this. I set as featured asset, as you can see here, right? Now it is a featured asset. Okay. Next, this is the important part. So product variants. So we have size, we have S, M, L, XL, XXL, correct? Color, we only have right now, currently we just have two colors. So we have white and black, right? So we go colors, and we go black, white, and that's it. we just created our first variants. Okay, these are the options for the variant products, so they have different guide. And automatically, our platform, what it does, it creates automatically all the variants, all the possibilities of that of this products. It creates it automatically, so you do not need to do that. So this is a great. And of course the SAQ, so you can track correctly what products is what. Okay, I will say SAQ, let's say t-shirt, let's say 110, just to give you guys an idea. The price, let's say 21, oops, I always do that, 95, right? And in stock, let's say 10 of that, and let's just mix around like the price here, so you guys can see the changes. If it's XXL, it's bigger size, so we change that. Okay, so now what we do, we create. And now our platform will create, it will take a few seconds, and now it will create all the variants that we just created, as you can see here, right? All of them it just created. Now the next step, as you see, it also created the name, so you're aware of which one it's what, right? So I did the name, polo, and the S as size and black. You can change it as you please, the options, right? You can just go ahead and change it. Like if you want like the capital S, so it's more visible for everybody to understand, you can go ahead and do that. But let's go ahead. Let's create one black t-shirt. Let's give it an image. It's missing an image, right? So what we'll do for the image, this is the price of our product. This is the taxes. You can change the taxes accordingly to your country or your location. Right now we have 21%, but as soon as we have more from other countries, we will be adding them. All right, let's say 7 is as the Canary Island, they only take a 7 tax percent. And let's go here. We have to add, of course, this is the title. This is the SKU, and the discounted price. And let's go ahead and write over here the weight, right? And the image. And the image for this, I believe so it was black. Let's just go back. If we forget, we can say, oh, yeah, it's black. Okay, I'm supposed to put a black image. So go ahead, put a black t-shirt, right? Black t-shirt, and you can add more than one. Let's go ahead and add this one, and go ahead, add another one. Let's say this one, and that's it. And now we just update. Great. And now we go back. I like to click here, but as you please, you can do it. And now we go, we say white t-shirt. Now let's just add 2 images for the white t-shirt. Yeah, I have to give it a size, the weight, sorry. And after we go here, add here, let's add another one, just to have 2 images. And now we go ahead, we update, and we check. Okay, so now we just have to check on our front end store. I like to just copy here. You can just copy as you please. Just to, for this purpose of this tutorial, I just copy the name, and let's look for this polo shirt. All right, so go here. We can actually also just scroll, right? You can just scroll, but first of all, we need to refresh. Boom, we refresh to see if it's visible, right? Let's see if we add it. Possibly we add, let's see. Oh, there you go. So we click on it, and we have the polo cotton. And as I said here previously, the main image, it is this one we set, right? This was the main image that we set previously. Let's have a look. Everything was uploaded correctly. Wonderful. We only have 2 images. So we have small, and let's say if we click on white, there you go. As you can see, it is quite simple to add or black or white. And that's it. That's all. Simple as that. And we can also just double check if everything is correct. We click on close because one of our, there you go, one of our collections, if we go back, it was close, right? Men is GIF, men close. We go back and we just see, and as you can see, we click here, wonderful. And also we did change the price. We said this will be $23.95, as I showed before. For the XXL, it is a little bit more expensive, right? Oops. So we go back to our store. And yep, wait. Yes, sorry, I was in the wrong link for a second. And there you go. And that's it. We are done. Sorry, in the XXL, as you saw when I clicked on it, you don't want to commit this mistake, right? If somebody clicks on white, right, and you click on XXL, and you don't have that product, white XXL, you will like to have in the back end, right, in your administration, to have that, if you have it, of course. And if you don't, you can just go ahead and delete it. All right, you can just go ahead and delete it right here. And that's about it. And that is how you upload a variant product. It's very simple, straightforward, and it took us no time. So see you in the next one. Bye.